Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Ethiopia together. This is Duwancho from the Sidama region. It is a classic heirloom coffee and the process is classic natural. For more details, please visit our webpage. To get the flavors of Duwancho into your cup, we recommend this recipe. You need 250 grams of third wave water at a temperature of 94 degrees in the kettle. Prepare 18 grams of Duwancho and grind it on your Comandante on click 20. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. Now let's get ready for the first pour. 70 grams of water over 7 seconds, rather fast circular pouring, to get all the coffee wet and to let the CO2 from the roast process escape. After 30 seconds, the second pour of only 50 grams over 10 seconds in a very soft circular pouring to release all those fruity and sweet flavors of Duwancho. After 1 minute, the third and last pour of 80 grams active pouring starts, leading directly into a 50 gram center pour for a rich and balanced body in the end. Pouring is finished at 1 minute and 20 seconds. The total brew time is 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and after that you can enjoy those tropical flavors of papaya, pineapple and passion fruit combined with peach in your cup.